let's jump back to our browser and refresh and see if we're throwing any JavaScript errors. Now, if we are, we'll see this red X here, and we can click on the console tab in order to see what the problem is. So uncaught reference error options is not defined. So if we compare this with our code, it says it's on index.html line 14, which is right here. So that makes sense. What this was an example, and we were supposed to supply it with some options. I'm going to remove these options here and see if we can run it without passing it anything. I'll save it and refresh. Okay, so I kind of suspected that if we didn't pass any options, it would automatically assume that all select boxes should be converted over. Now we can see that there's some styling issues here because the original select is still visible and has the stylings that we've added to it. So let's remove those stylings and see how this looks. So I'm gonna take away all the styles for this select, but I'll keep the selector just in case we need it later. And I'll go back to the browser. Okay. So we get our select box here. Now let's cross our fingers and check out some other browsers. Let's refresh here. Okay, that looks good. Let's try Safari. We'll refresh. All right, looks good.